Editing 24/7. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google Slides in Canva. It's quite simple. In order to change Google Slides, you have to make sure that your Canva is linked to your Google account. So first make sure it's linked. Then after that, we can go with the procedure. So let's go to the presentation. I'm choosing random. All right, so let's choose a slide. This one, let's say, okay, this is the slide I'm working on. Okay, suppose. So let's say I want to change the Google slide. In order to do that, you can simply tap in here, this upload, and here you have the options. Yeah, you can go to this three-dot bar, and here's the option of Google Drive. If it's linked, you can simply tap into open, and your Google Slides will be linked over here. Yeah, simply tap it open. Yeah, it says connect. So this is, you can simply connect here, tap in connect, and you can bring the file from the Google in this project over here. So yeah, I'm not going to do that right now, but you know how to do that now. Is you tap in that connect, and it will get connected to the Canva project, and you can simply tap in that file and put it over here. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next video.